If you want to enhance your Xbox security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is secure and up to date. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account website and sign in with the credentials associated with your Xbox account. This will give you access to your security settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Security tab on the main menu. Click on it to access various security options related to your account. Step 3. Manage Devices. In the Security Settings, find the section labeled Manage Devices or Devices. This section will show you a list of all devices that are currently associated with your account. Step 4. Identify old devices. Review the list of devices and identify any that you no longer use or recognize. Take note of the devices you wish to remove from your account. Step 5. Remove unwanted devices. Select the old devices you want to remove and follow the prompts to delete them from your account. Confirm any changes to ensure the devices are successfully removed. By following these steps, you can keep your Xbox account secure and free from old devices that may pose a risk. Regularly managing your devices is a good practice for maintaining your online security.